Hello again, nice to see you. Today we're going to make a dish called Roti Babi. Roti Babi is a very old traditional Nyonya sandwich sort of thing, and I remember eating it when I was very young, and later my mom stopped cooking that, so it's always in my mind that I should try it again. So today I'm going to try this very traditional sandwich called Roti Babi, which means roti pig or pork roti. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee from Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and each day I will share with you my cooking adventure and something related to me and my life and food especially. So don't forget to click like and press the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the new videos that I upload. And if you think some of your friends or family members would like to learn more about Nyonya cooking or the history and the culture and some of the things that I do, mostly related to food, 90% related to food, so please don't forget to share. So let's get on with today's task. Now let's look at the ingredients. For the roti babi, I'll need some oil for frying, of course, and then this is the spice mix that I've got to blend or chop into a paste. I have here with me 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, which I grated, half teaspoon of white pepper, 75 grams of shallot, about 3/4 teaspoon of preserved soy, and that's the paste that I got to sort of blend or chop. And then for the filling, we would need I'm going to use 250 grams of meat. You can use chicken or pork, okay, but I saw this in the supermarket, so I bought it. And I need about 30 grams of garlic, finely chopped, and 250 grams of onion, finely diced, but not blended, it's diced. Okay. And for the seasoning, we would need some sugar and salt. And to make the sandwich, and we also need to make the sandwich, it's going to be fried, so we need 3 eggs, okay, and then a loaf of white bread. I saw this in Asda last night, so I bought it. So it's only 20p. So I'm going to try it, okay. So I'm putting all the ingredients: the soybeans, preserved soybeans, the spices, 1 tablespoon of coriander and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. This is a bit tricky. This one is very hard. I have 5 grams of kencur, which is cukor, where I use it for my stew as well. And this one, we need about 5 grams, but I soak it because it's very hard when it's dry. And I'll just put it in. Hopefully it will sort of be blended finely, okay. What else? So these are the ingredients to make a paste. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some water. Just a bit of water. I'm actually making half the recipe of the original recipe that I had. So this should be fine enough, okay. Now we're going to cook the filling. So I'll put about 1 tablespoon of oil here, and then we're going to add our paste. The paste is a bit wet, but it's okay. We'll cook it until it's dry. So we'll cook it until it smells, it's fragrant. So now it's a bit fragrant and a bit dry. We can add in the garlic and the onions, the diced onion. Then we give it a stir. Fry until the onion is a bit soft. Okay. The onion is a bit soft now, so we've got to add the meat. Cook it until the meat is cooked, So we cook until it's a bit it's cooked. has changed color. The filling is a bit dry, yeah. Then you got to taste it. Sugar and some salt. Half teaspoon and see. Pepper. Okay. So we'll plate it up. And we let it cool. Now I'm going to slice the bread. This is an unsliced bread, so I'm attempting to cut away the crust first. Remove the crust. Okay, I'm going to cut it to about 5 cm, which is about 2 inches. Yeah, 5 cm is about 2 inches. Okay, one more time. Cut away the crusts. So the next step is to make a pocket. So I suppose this is how you make the pocket. You do it like this. Okay, I make a pocket. Make sure it's deep enough and it doesn't fall out. I think we must put in a lot of filling, then only it's nice. Okay, make sure you stuff it well. Okay, I think it's very well stuffed now. See, it's full of the stuff. Full of the stuff. I'm actually making half the recipe of the filling, and I've got a very small loaf. Okay, so it's full, and we're supposed to seal it. We're supposed to seal it with the eggs. So I suppose this is how we seal it. Okay, there's one done. We're going to put a cup of oil for deep frying. So I've beaten an egg of 2 to 3 eggs, 3 small eggs. So we're going to dip this all over and we're going to deep fry it. Not exactly deep fry, but shallow fry. Make sure it's coated with eggs. I'm going to put this here, okay? All sides are covered. Okay, and then we put it again this way. Yes. And then when it's ready, we just lift it up and put it on kitchen towels to soak up the oil. So this is the Roti Babi, which I've deep fried, and I'm going to plate it up and I'm going to try it. I'm cutting it into triangles. Yes, this is nice. And I'm going to decorate it with some greens this way. Yeah, pretty. Oops. Now I'm going to try it. So now I'm going to try the Roti Babi. Smell of kamcho chukor. It's savory. It's a bit rich in the sense that it's deep fried. It's got the taste of kencho or chukor, which I use for my Nyonya cooking. This kencho is used a lot in like dumplings, Nyonya dumplings, and also hongbak, pork braised with soy sauce and preserved bean. And this actually is similar to the ingredients. We have preserved soybean here as well. Oh, it's so nice. Mm. Mm. Reminds me of home. So I hope you enjoy watching me doing that. Sorry, speaking with my mouth full again. So I hope you enjoy watching me doing this, and please give it a try. The kencho, you can actually find it in the Chinese supermarket, but it's not easy to get over here in this country, but you can get it dried ones in the Chinese supermarket. It will say cooking ginger or something like that, so it's a very distinct smell. So I hope you like it. Until the next time, bye. Loretta, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, all this sort of food. So don't forget to click like and subscribe so that you'll be informed of all the new videos that I post. And don't forget to share if you think one of your friends or your family members might enjoy watching me doing all the cooking. Alright then, bye. See you again in the next video. Bye.